Excuse me.
You're sitting wrong, but if you come up some more.
You want me to sit over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
okay, if you sit. So I can, yeah.
Continue?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay, the physics is wrong because you see, like
it's heavy, right?
By this side to get up.
Can you keep going?
I can keep going.
Try it. Ready?
Try. You come on this side. Come up further up.
How about this? Try it.
Okay. Let's
go.
Okay, you stay there.
Okay. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gosh, you're doing so good.
Yeah.
7, 8. Touch my hands. Sorry.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry. Can I sit there? I just didn't want to.
Over there?
It's so dirty.
Yeah, but don't sit on me though.
I can't.
No, you can't sit on me.
Sorry.
Really good. We can get a lot of trouble for doing that.
Come on now.
Yeah.
Hey. Excuse me.
Can I help you?
Oh, can I stay here?
I'm waiting for somebody.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm getting in trouble for this one.
You'll get in trouble for it?
Yeah.
Dang. All right.
Yeah.
Like a doll.
A doll?
Yeah, a real doll.
Oh my gosh. Do you mind if I sit here? A doll?
A beautiful doll. A beautiful Barbie.
A Barbie. So what are you up to?
Smoking each other. What else?
I guess nothing. You're in Venice, right?
Yes.
Light it up.
All right.
Enjoy.
Alrighty. We'll light it up.
Thanks.
So make the world go round.
Benjamin.
What's your name?
Benjamin.
Benjamin? I'm Allison. Nice to meet you. What are you doing?
Smoke?
No. Are you meditating? What are you doing?
Listen to music.
Yeah. This is the spot to be, right? This spot right here. Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
Nothing. Just wanted to like sit down. Can I sit there? Is that cool?
Sit by me. I don't give a shit. Sit on my board though. This is my board.
Dang, I just really don't want to get my pants dirty.
Oh, I get it. Yeah, go for it.
Thanks.
What's up?
Nothing. Kind of wanted it.
Yeah, you got the board. Go for it.
Really? All right, I'll just kind of get closer to you then.
That works for me. What's up?
Body heat, you know. It's cold out here.
It's really cold.
It is. There's no sun whatsoever today, and I'm freezing. How's it going? Can I join you?
Sure.
Thanks.
Sit right there.
I can't sit on your
No,
lap?
you can sit right here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I really don't want to sit on the concrete. I don't want to get these dirty.
Sorry.
Shoot. How's it going? Can I sit right here?
Yeah, if you want.
Thanks. Do you mind if I just sit right there?
Huh?
Can I sit right there?
You sit right next to me.
I can't sit on your lap?
I don't know
want to sit
you.
in the grass. Is that cool?
I don't know you. So.
Can I just sit for a minute?
You can sit for a second.
Thank you. Tell me if I'm too heavy, okay? Look, we both got fresh kicks on. I'm not trying to get grass stains on anything right now. What was your name?
Donnie?
Allison.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing out here?
Just chilling.
Same, except I just don't want to get grass stains on my pants. So I'm like, how can I sit in the grass without staining my clothes? You pretty comfortable?
I'm alright.
You're right.
Yeah, you're not too heavy.
I'm trying. I'm like, I'm squatting. I'm trying to help you out right now. Put my full weight, it might be a different story. Cool. Well, shoot.
What'd
What's your name?
It's Allison. What's
Christian.
your Christian?
Yeah.
Thanks for almost letting me sit on you.
I gotta work soon. All the time for this shit. You want to turn me on right before work?
I wasn't even trying. I just wanted a little body heat. That's all.
You got a nice ass, so yeah, I mean, I'm down for that.
No, you weren't though. You pushed me away.
You're like, oh, I don't want to get my pants dirty. I'm like, okay, so I'm bored.
Well, you did the right thing. You're a gentleman.
I'm just a nice guy. That's all.
Okay.
I'm just a nice guy. That's all. Yeah.
Well, thank you, Christian. I'll come back by and say hi.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Sorry, I just really need to sit.
It's all right.
Feet are so tired.
Made a friend, Charlie.
That's your name?
No, it's Charlie. It's my brother.
Hi, Charlie. How's it going? Looks fun.
Beach.
Yeah, you guys from here?
No.
Okay, where are you from?
Louisiana.
Louisiana. You don't even sound like it.
I know. It comes out after I drink.
What? Let me hear your best Louisiana accent.
Mesh, it's a little bit too early for that.
Oh, okay.
Drink or two, maybe it'll come out a little.
There we go. Okay, I hear it. I hear it. So what's your name?
Cade.
Cade Allison.
Allison? Nice
Yeah.
to meet you. Pleasure.
Thanks for letting me sit. I just really needed a rest. My feet were killing me.
That's all right.